Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Cooking with Mr. Cookie and my 40-hour famine series. Did you know if you donate $50, that'll feed a whole family's basic food needs for an entire month? So, what are you waiting for? Now today, we're doing a classic 90s birthday party recipe. We are making chocolate crackles. All right, to our ingredients. We have 4 cups of rice bubbles or rice puffs. We have 1 cup of icing sugar, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 250 grams of Copha, or 250 grams of coconut oil. Today we're going to be using a microwave, so have adult supervision when doing so. Let's get to it. You know what time it is. It's time to wash our hands. Alright, first things first, we got to get all our dry ingredients into our bowl and mix it all together. Now you got to mix it all together. Alright, with all our dry ingredients mixed well together in our bowl, next up is to melt our Copha or coconut oil. What we're going to do is break this into smaller bits and then start our melting process. We're going to start with a medium heat for a minute and then do increments from there till it's all melted. Alright, now that our Copha is all melted, it might take a little bit longer to melt depending on what time of year it is. Before we pour this in and mix it all up, we want to have our papers all ready in our cupcake tin, like so. Let's get to it. All right, with all our dry ingredients mixed together, it's time to get spoonfuls from our bowl into our tray. And I'll be right back when these are all done. Well, there you have it, our chocolate crackles all ready to go. We're gonna put these in the fridge until they set. We'll be back soon. Well, there you have it, our chocolate crackles all ready to go. And as always, have to try it. Just as good as I remember. And as always, the recipe will be in the description below. Thank you for watching and supporting this video. If you'd like to donate to World Vision and 40-Hour Famine, please follow the link in the description below. Or you can head to the 40-Hour Famine website, www.40hourfamine.com.au/donate and search for Cooking with Mr. Cookie. If you're unable to donate, there are other ways you can always help. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family so they may have the opportunity to do the same. So we can make a lasting difference in this world. And of course, I'll see you next time.